Hey gang, Caleb Shaw, Shaw Realty, Homes for Heroes. You know, I get this call every day, all day. You want a couple acres right outside of town, creek running through it, big trees, etc. Well, here it is, gang, 781 Garcitas Creek Road. This is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath on 2.9 acres. Guys, this one's got a little bit of everything. You got a creek, you got woods, you got solar panels, you got it all. Hurry, these will not last. Call me quick, I'll get you set up. Come, you can have a new house for Christmas. Who needs all that new year, new me stuff? Caleb Shaw, Shaw Realty, Homes for Heroes, 237-8727. Call me.